the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life, I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Welcome!
Tell me why are we
Hello!
so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me?
Trump is right now currently speaking in Davos in Switzerland. Let's go! Let's go! In live! In live! In live, baby! In live. He's in live! Just speaking about
Denmark, not
everything.
long ago, after we defeated the Germans, the Japanese, the Italians, and others in World War II, we gave it back to them. We were a powerful
Let's
force
see-
then, but
let's
we are
see
a
what
much
he
more
said.
powerful force now.
Trump on using
After I
excessive
rebuilt
force.
the
I
military in my
won't
first
do
term
that.
and continue
I
to
won't
do
do
so.
that.
Today, we
And
have
the
a
market
budget
is
of
pushing.
$1.5 trillion.
And the market is pushing and rejecting
bringing
the
back
low of the day.
battleships.
That's nice. That's
Battleship
nice. What he
is
said, another things.
100
Trump, I
times
won't
more
use
powerful
force
than the
to
great
get
battleships you
Greenland.
saw in World War II.
Oh,
Those great,
interesting
big,
to
gorgeous
know. Trump on
ships, the
NATO.
Missouri,
We
the
never
Iowa, the
asked for
Alabama.
anything. We never got
Because I
anything.
thought maybe we
All
could
the
take them
US
out
is
of
asking for
mothballs. They
is
said, no, sir, these ships are 100. Think of that.
Europe has to work on
100
Ukraine.
times
Not
more powerful than those big,
NATO and Europe don't appreciate the work
magnificent
that
pieces
US
of
does.
that you
Greenland would
saw
not be
so
a
many
threat
times ago
to
that you still
NATO.
see on
It
television,
would
you say,
enhance
wow,
it. We are
what a force.
seeking
100
immediate
times each
talks
ship,
on
100
Greenland.
times more powerful
Okay.
than the big battleships
That's
of the
interesting,
past.
all
So
the
that
things
was
he
the end of the
says.
mothball story.
That's interesting.
So what we have
That's
gotten
really
out of
interesting
NATO
for the future of the
is
Greenland and the history.
nothing except to protect Europe from the Soviet Union and now Russia. I mean, we've helped them for so many years. We've
Hello
never
everyone,
gotten
hello, hello Alexandre, hello Olivier, hi Florian, hello, hello many tries, hello Son of Wall Street,
in my opinion, 100% of NATO because they weren't paying their bills.
hello Layes, how are you, where are you Flo? I'm here like every day. And today, I wanted to be a duck. I wanted to be a duck, that's why I put a yellow shawl, a yellow pullover. Because today I'm a duck. Today I'm the fastest duck.
Who the hell wants to defend a license agreement.
Hello Parmet Trading. Hello Marie.
which
Hello
is a large piece
LG.
of ice in the middle of the
Hello
ocean
John
where
TP.
if
Today
there's
it's
a
John
war,
TP, guys.
much of the
Not
action
anymore
will
John
take
SL.
place on that piece of ice. Think of it. Those
Hello
missiles will be
Isis.
flying
Hello
right around the
Jogglimeister.
center
Hello,
of that
hello,
piece
hello
of ice.
Miguel. Flo evacuates the
Denmark,
Trump. Of course.
for national
You didn't see
and
me on the video.
international security, and to keep our
L'étoile du matin.
agent
Hello
and
Trump, how are you?
potential enemies at bay.
I'm fine,
Is
you.
this land
Hello
on which we're
Lindsay.
going to
How are you?
build
What's
the
up
greatest
Lindsay
golden
today?
dome ever built? We're building a
It
golden
is
dome.
how you
That's
trade.
going to just by
Good
its
morning,
very
morning
nature
RDQC. Good afternoon,
going to be
Ryo.
in Canada.
What's Trump talking about right now? So we just saw what just before what he said. Hello Frank, hello Isis, Jogglimeister, Glow Trade, let's go. Hello.
Lives because of the United States.
Trump
Remember
race.
that, Mark, the next time you make your statements.
At the place of a duck, it's possible to do a Trump race. If you can build the software and the software game to do a Trump race, why not? But I don't find a Trump race.
We did it for
I don't
Israel, by
find
the
it.
way. I told him,
Ryo, go
stop
Trump
taking
because
credit for the dome.
need money for
Our
Valentine's Day.
technology, it's our stuff.
Me too, me too, me too. Let's go, baby. Let's win a lot of money today, okay? And recover the loss of yesterday. We'll try to do it this week. Yo, you don't see the Trump speech? You don't hear it? You don't hear it?
Wiping out al-Baghdadi when he tried to reinstitute ISIS.
Gaetanos, what's up? Let's go, baby!
Big things.
Hola, hola, señor!
Quickly executed. Everyone was
Sensation, Culber. L'étoile du matin.
Sir, everything you've done has been.
It stays to be an important man, yeah, of course, of course, of course. And every important man, so some guys that don't like what he's doing. Others love. I'm not here to defend him or critique him. I'm just doing my own things, and that's it. Making fun of it, and that's enough. That's enough. And there's a lot of fun to do it with this hype. So let's enjoy it. That's it. Oh, okay, it's fine. Arrow. What's up? What's up? I'm well, and you? I'm well. Just recover about yesterday. And we're gonna try to do our own business today. Try to kill the market today. Try to snipe the market today. Okay, so let's see. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just bouncing right now on his daily thin line. So I'm expecting that today we're gonna range, or we're gonna stay on this level, or we're gonna bounce on it. But at the other side, we have a high VIX over there. So if the VIX stays high at 20, for example, I'm expecting that the Nasdaq and all US indices will stay in a range, okay, and not bouncing on the daily thin lines. But if the VIX is going to trend lower, I'm gonna expecting that the Nasdaq is gonna bounce on it, and that's a scenario that I would like to. That's a scenario that I would like to, but he stays in this range. So despite of that, I have to be careful more than yesterday. Yeah, even more than yesterday. We'll see how it's going to be at the open. The ES is doing almost the same thing than the Nasdaq. YM is stronger than NQ. Russell is even stronger than the YM.
That can play a vital role.
Okay. Let's turn off the volume. Boom. Okay. Maybe there's more opportunities on the Russell than the others. But anyway, I'm specialized on the NQ. I love to trade it because the volatility is more important than the others market. So that's why I'm staying on it. And we are just bouncing on a big level over there. So let's see if it's a real bounce or not. The DAX is just dumping like the CAC 40, Nikkei, okay, VIX. So the VIX, I'm gonna take a look on it later on the session to see if the volatility is gonna dump even more or not. Okay, that's gonna be a signal for my trade ideas. The gold is just insane. Wow. He's just insane. And I think the first guy of the 10K Jordan Challenge, Hassan, he won. He has a balance of $547,000, and I think he did it on the gold because the gold is just insane, and the silver doesn't move anymore at their all-time high. Okay, but the gold just keeps going, just straight forward, bam, without any pullback. It's just insane. But now we are just pulling back. Maybe later on the day, let's see if we're gonna have a bounce on the gold or not. If we have it, why not taking along on a 10K Jordan Challenge? And I said and I repeat, on a 10K Jordan Challenge. So on this competition by Phidias Propfirm. Otherwise, on my static account, fundamental account, and swing account, I'm not gonna take any trade on the gold because I'm not used to, I'm not specialized on it. What else? So, as I said, silver doesn't move. US crude oil just range on his daily thin lines. Copper. The copper doesn't move anymore. The dollar just range. Yeah. So we know that the dollar is the opposite. The correlation between the dollar and the US indices are just opposite. So theoretically, I mean, so when the dollar is just dumping, I'm expecting that there's going to be a flow on the US indices that's going to push all the US indices, and the opposite. If we have a strong dollar, this strong dollar is going to will dump all the US indices. Okay, but now on this dollar. He's just ranging, so it doesn't give us any hint, any ideas, or any signals for the direction of all the US indices. So that's why at this beginning of 2026, it's a bit hard to trade it because we are just ranging and we have now, for the moment, a clear direction. But never mind. We need to be flexible on the market. Okay, so we're gonna be it, and that's why I'm gonna be careful today, especially on this level and especially on this range on the NQ. What else? The Bitcoin, as I told you guys all these past weeks, because there's Bitcoin, he works by cycle, okay? And after a huge bullish trend, a huge bull run, I'm expecting when he just pulling back on his weekly thin lines, I'm expecting that he's gonna reject it, bounce on it a little bit, and then BAM! He's gonna break it down later. And then we start a recession on the Bitcoin. We start a bearish trend. We're gonna get a blast of this speculative bubble, of this bull run. So that's why I'm expecting this year on the Bitcoin. And for the moment, we just trapped everyone, breaking higher, breaking up this, breaking to the upside this range and this daily thin lines, and then we just reintegrated this weekend, this weekend, this range, this daily thin lines too, and then we trapped every longs. So I'm expecting that it's not impossible, and it's quite probable that the Bitcoin is going to reach the 84,000, the lower of this range, and then we'll see. That's my opinion, my personal opinion on the Bitcoin, and we'll see. Okay, so that's it. 5 minutes remaining before the open. So in 1 hour chart time frame, we stay on the US, on the ES and the Nasdaq. We stay in a bearish trend. Even if we are staying in this bearish trend, I would like to take a short squeeze, to take longs on this bounce, because it seems that we have a strong bullish move over there, and we are just pulling back in intraday. So I'm gonna be open to take any trades by any side, long, short today. Just I'm gonna try to follow this the flow of the day, and where are the trend is going to be the strongest, and if we are just reverse and the volatility stays high, so I'm gonna expect later on the day that we're gonna reverse, and why not search again the low of the day, and why not 25,000, okay? But for the moment, it's not the case. For the moment, we have always this gap to fill about this weekend at 25,681. Okay, I don't think that we're gonna hit it and fill this gap today. Why not later this week or next week? But at some point we're gonna feel it. Okay, so that's why I'm open to take some longs today, and why not at the open directly? And for the open, let's see where we are on this Globex session. We are just hit the high of the day over there, and we did new high of this Globex session. Okay, so that's nice. I like when the market is opening on the extreme of his Globex session, because we have some probability to keep going in this direction, okay? Or why not getting a rejection of this resistance, of this extreme, and then reverse, okay? Unlike if we are just opening at the middle of a range, at the middle of a Globex session. If we are opening at the middle of a Globex session or in a range, we don't know where the market wants to go. Okay, so I like this kind of open, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna try to don't do the same shit like as yesterday. So that's why I'm gonna be more careful, but I'm not gonna hesitate to take any trades. Okay, just manage like as every day my risk, and taking all the things that I want to take in my trading method, and that's it, guys. That's it. That's why for my market analysis of the day, what's up, Ryo? Alt is opening, edit and music. Did you like it? Hello l'étoile du matin! Hello Jay! You smash it today. I hope you'll smash it today. I hope, Lindsay. I hope like you. I like you. Don't hesitate to tell me how it's going to be your day. Okay, it's fine. Hello, what's up, guys? Hello, what's up to you too? Microwave King, yo! Hello, TC, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm well, like every day. The most important things for a president is protect his population and nation. You're right. Waiting for my prize. Microwave. Okay, it's just opening, guys. It's just opening. Open them. Hello, Brad. How are you? How are you today, Brad? Payout with Phidias, of course. When? TC, did you get a payout by Phidias recently? Watch. Hello, Trader. Watch 237 as a probable support to the upside. 237 as a probable support to the upside. Okay, 237. Okay, but for the moment, 237 it's a kind of resistance. But once, if we are just breaking it, why not take a long on it? Trump still speaking over there.
Public, they're not able to buy a house. And I'm calling on Congress to pass that ban into permanent law, and I think they will. One of the biggest barriers to saving for a down payment.
We're gonna follow what he says. Wow, it's so volatile, guys. Look at my dome. He's just dancing. So let's wait until it's open. Oops, I forgot to say. Fresh Cast Wednesday, let's go baby, let's make some money! Hello my king! Hello Mr. Big Boss, hello boss! I'm Mr. Big Boss, how are you today? I'm well, and you? How are you doing today, my king? If you're Mr. Big Boss, you're supposed to belong from 25,046. Yeah, you're right, Trader Career. And I think that it's quite possible from my cake to take the low of the day. Flo is hungry today. Like every day. I'm starving. Hey, what's the plan today? It looks like a short covering. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting, but I'm open for the both. For a bearish continuation or for a short covering. That's what I call short squeeze. Hello Kryptonite! Already traded in Asia, 2000 on silver again. Again into his range, Lindsay? Because the silver doesn't move. Look at his Asia session, Globex session. I don't know how you did it, but congratulations. He's just ranging. Hello Kevin! Alias the call! How are you doing? A new payout for me today on 25k and my first live account. No way, TC! TC! Who got a payout on a 25k static account and his first live account? Let's go baby! Congratulations! Congratulations, TC! Wait.
Congratulations and
I'm more happy for TC than for me when I'm winning. I'm a kind of duck today. I'm a duck today. I'm in yellow, I'm a duck today. Woo! Come on! Come on! Fucking duck race today, boss. Why not? Why not to do one? But there will not be there's not going to be a giveaway about this duck race. Today we're gonna do the giveaway for all those who participated and who answered on the quiz about these two past days, these two past days, yeah, on the bootcamp. Okay, so I noted everyone, and then I'm gonna put all of you who answered on this quiz Monday and Tuesday, and then I'm gonna select three winners, and the three winners are going to be able to choose their account of their choice, guys. Either a static account, either a fundamental account, or either a swing account, or either a 10k Jordan challenge. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! And today, of course, we're gonna apply and make in practice everything what we saw in these two past days and this bootcamp. According my own trading strategy. Nice, good luck everyone. Macro glasses, they are even better than the macro glasses. Hello Sam! We are just a bunch of money addicts here. Fucking yeah. Okay, by chance I didn't take any trade yet. Woo! So let's see if it could be a bounce or not on these 1 minute fill lines, these VWAP and these 5 minute fill lines. But the thing is, we are just at the middle of this Globex session over there. That's why I don't like it, really. It's alright. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Fuck. I missed it. I missed this long. Unfortunately. Okay, I missed it. Let's wait another entry. I'm buying some 25k statics tonight. Lindsay, and I hope you know with which I hope you know with which code you have to buying it, Lindsay. Trump speaking at Davos. Careful, guys. Yeah. And he's speaking since a while. Speaking over there. He's on my TV. Let's see what he says.
It's a small place.
It's a small place.
And
Europe delays vote on ratifying trade agreement with US. Trump Powell is very late on interest rates. Powell, Jerome Powell, I know your job even better than you, Jerome Powell. You just need to lower the interest rate, Jerome Powell. Otherwise, I'm gonna fire you. I'm gonna fire you, Jerome Powell.
they don't want to see me and they don't want to stare me in the eyes. But they're taking advantage of, everybody took advantage of the United States. But I've been very fair.
I'm gonna fire you.
Gave them I realized that without.
Look.
You're fired. 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 You're fired.
Let's go.
Hello, Mr. Trump. It's an honor to meet you. I was wondering what you would say to President Obama.
You're fired.
You're fired.
You're fired.
Robbie.
You're fired. Let's go, baby. Okay. No. So what else is there on? Trump. We put a tariff on Switzerland and all hell broke loose. He's in Switzerland and he put some tariffs on them. Reduced Swiss tariff because I don't want to hurt people, and further realized many places are making a fortune from the US. The US is keeping the whole world afloat. Lower Swiss tariffs don't mean it couldn't go up. Good news used to send stocks up, how it should be. Powell raises interest rates and stops us from success. Proper growth can fight inflation. Okay, and now we got a bounce on the 1 minute fin lines, the 5 minute fin lines over there, and the VWAP. That's why I wanted to play. I missed this entry, but never mind, because we just dumped just after this bounce. Okay, so now we are just ranging. We are just ranging, and in a little bit less than 3 minutes, we have already the 15 minutes OPR. Let's go, baby, I want to say. No risk, no worry. Trending right, Trump speaking, so risky. No. If I have a setup, I'm taking it. Downsizing and waiting, Sony free. You're right. And you're wise to do that. Yeah, micro only want to build a massive live account. Hey, Lindsay, we have the same objective this year. I have the impression that we have the same objective this year. I want to. And I did a video at the end of 2025 to explain how to get the maximum live payout as possible, the massive payout, the massive live account as possible. And that's what I'm gonna work on it this year. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, guys. Do you speak French? No? Because I'm an American boy. I'm just stuck in a French body. Of course I speak French. Of course. Okay. Is it gonna keep going like that and pushing or not. And in 20 seconds, we have the 15 minutes OPR. Ludovic, salute, France. What's up, Ludo? Would take a 25k static had in the past and burned it. It's a risk. I've already blown it few accounts, a few 25 static accounts. But that's normal because if you are in a bad period, the drawdown is so narrow. But if you are in a good period, then you can increase your drawdown without that is one is trailing, and that's the best part. Okay, we have 23. $223.25. That's 15 minutes OPR, and I see that there are more buyers than sellers. That's why I took a long, trying to scalp it. That's not the best timing. Yeah, I know. A last push, come on! A last one! Okay, yes, he's pushing. Nice. At any moment we can reject. I don't really know if we're gonna have a continuation or not. I'm ready to take it off to go out on this thread, but I want to hold it a little bit. Come on, push! Okay. Fuck. I'm out. Small win. Fuck. Lindsay, which video do you mean? Okay, First trade, first win, even if it's a small one. Trump still speaking.
Prosperity and conclusion and progress that built the West did not come from our tax codes. It ultimately came from our very special culture. This is the precious inheritance that America and Europe have in common. We share it. We share it. We have to keep it strong. We have to become stronger, more successful, and more prosperous than ever. We have to defend that culture and rediscover the spirit.
Let's listen him a little bit.
From the depths of the dark
I'll
ages
link
to
it.
the pinnacle
Hang
of
on. Okay.
human achievement. We live in a
Hey
incredible,
Dukies, hello Mirage message.
changing
What's
period.
up?
It's an unbelievable time, but we have to take advantage of the time that we're in. In our hands are technologies that our ancestors could scarcely have. I mean, they couldn't have even dreamt some of the things that we see today.
Ha,
And
that's
so
the move that I
rapidly
was
they're
expecting
produced.
for.
I mean, AI, 2 years ago, nobody ever heard of the term, and now everybody's talking about it. And it can have some very good purpose. It could also have some dangerous purpose, and for that we have to watch out.
Fine, bro.
Some terrible things
Perfect.
are happening because-
Perfect.
And we're leading by so much. We're doing so well. But opportunities that are bigger and grander than ever before in human history are right before us. It is the
What he's
pioneers
saying,
in this room,
Trumpy,
many of
a
you
lot
in
of
this room
things.
are true pioneers. You're too.
You have everything on financial juice. Trump, the West has to become stronger and defend its culture. Trump reiterates he'll start land strikes over drugs. Institutional home buying is just not fair to the public. I have to think about home depreciation
And some
rules.
of you are the greatest leaders anywhere in the world. You're the greatest brains anywhere in the world. And the future is.
He said Trump on using excessive force about Greenland. I won't do that.
I always say we have to cherish our brilliant people because there aren't many of them. So together with confidence, boldness, and persistence, let us lift up our people, grow our
Okay, so we have a nice bullish trend over there. Let's wait a pullback ideally.
Exciting, more inspiring, and greater than the world has ever seen. We're in a position to do things that nobody else has ever.
Nothing good, but they will fill the gap.
And many of the people in this
I'm,
room are the ones that
in my opinion, I don't think so today. We're gonna fill this gap. But why not later this week?
So I congratulate you on your tremendous success. And the United States is back, bigger, stronger, better than ever before. And I'll see you around. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Trump. You're welcome. Thank you to you. The USAI is back.
Thank you.
And the move that I was in and I was expecting is just going without me.
This was supposed to be a nice fire chat, Mr. President.
Yes, good. I got set up. No, I did know.
You made the job for the moderator really easy. Thank you, Mr. President, for your speech. I do have a few follow-up questions, if it's okay. Sure. I don't think I should start with Greenland, maybe. I'll start with the economy. The U.S. economy is doing really, really well. But how to sustain this growth moving forward? Because there's always a recession looming around the corner.
Well, you know, the one thing about economies and recessions is sometimes you get hit unexpectedly and there's nothing you can do about it. We're all brilliant people, but there's nothing. One example was COVID. We had an economy going at levels like nobody had ever seen my first 2.5, 3 years. And then I heard...
I want to listen Trump talk about
pandemic, not COVID.
making dollar scalping MNQ logs. No way, Brad! No way!
But I heard the word pandemic.
Oh, congrats!
And I had a poll
At least you're winning more than me.
just prior to that.
Congrats! We had a nice push over there, but with small pullback each time, so
George Washington and Abraham
it was
Lincoln
pretty hard
came
for me
back
to
and
take
ran as
some longs, but
president and vice president.
congrats, Brad! Hope you're gonna keep going like that. You think they will resist in 1 hour thin lines? Yeah, I'm expecting every time on was, especially on the 1 hour thin lines, it works so well. That's why I'm expecting that. That's why I don't think so. Today we're gonna feel this gap because there are the 1 hour thin lines and the 400 over there. Okay, but we never know. We never know. We never know. And but every time the 1 hour fill lines is work so well, and it's often an area where the price is rejecting. Big bounce on Russell and every market, by the way.
You get hit with things like that unexpectedly. And we got through it, and when I
in the video
left,
library, if it's not
stock
loading,
market was higher than
which
it was
library you mean?
previous to the COVID coming up, and that was, I called it a great achievement. But things happen, bad things happen. The things that we can stop are wars if we're smart. That we can stop. Those are a matter of being intelligent and having intelligent people on the other side, because wars are the worst of all. Wars are worse than anything. But we can stop wars because that's sort of up to us.
Okay.
Like,
Okay, maybe we're gonna have a pullback over there.
Sometimes you have to be a little bit lucky, but we are poised to have an economy like no other, not only in this country but anywhere. And you know, when you hear the kind of numbers that I can tell you that Scott Bessent was with me the other day, and he's looking at numbers. He said, I can't. And that's all he's done his whole life, pretty much your whole life, Scott. You weren't going to be a football player.
Waiting for the reversal so I can short it too.
But he was always good.
Whoa, you're hot today, Brad. You're hot. You want to
I've never seen anything like this.
play every moves of the market today. Long, short.
And, you know, luck. I hate to say it, but we need a little luck. We don't want to get hit by something that nobody could have thought. Whoever thought we were going to hit by?
Let's see if we're gonna have a reverse or not. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
World War I, they lost 100 million people. It actually ended World War I.
300 hit what else?
Spanish flu.
Okay, 400 maybe. Hard to short today. Yeah, or actually for the moment it's hard to short.
Raging and they were all dying.
I would never short for the
They
moment.
were sick as dogs. They couldn't fight. So, you know, you don't know how that would have turned out. But so we do, I mean, subject to that, and I always have to put a caveat in for it, but we're poised to have the greatest growth of any large country, I think any country that there's been. When you look at what's happening in the United States, it's really amazing.
Thank you.
Trump cutting expenses and key tariffs to help pay
keeps
debt.
you up at night. I know you don't sleep that much anyway, Mr. President. Is the debt.
Growth is
the
a
US
way
debt,
out.
Is high, is now the biggest expenditure on your budget.
Oh, market, Nasdaq, give us a pullback. Fuck.
Well, the big thing is growth. I mean, growth is the way. If we grow like this, we go from having a 37 trillion dollars.
Before hitting your 1 hour fin lines.
To low debt. But we
They are
also
close.
have
They are close. They are
expenses
just over there, the 1 hour fin lines.
We have extraordinary growth. I think we're going to be growing our way out. I think we're going to be paying off debt. We're taking in tremendous money from tariffs fairly. And again, I'm using them judiciously. You know, Switzerland's a case study. I could have gotten much more. I could have asked for much more. But we're using them judiciously. But I think growth, most importantly, and then...
Oh, I hate a lot of things, but I hate when the Nasdaq is just going straight forward without any pullback. I hate it. Because you want to FOMO and you don't have it on the market. And the worst thing is that I saw these moves coming.
Todd and all the people that work over there and all of the people that work in here. I can tell you Scott Bessent is working on that.
I DM the one I mean, okay.
We're in there looking for...
this one. I found a money glitch in prop trading free. 6 figures live capital.
If we were able to...
I invite you guys to see this video. Yeah, you're right, Lindsay. You're right.
And we should be able to do better than
A
that.
nice glitch.
We would have a balanced budget without having to talk about even growth. So we have a lot of options, but we're working very hard on that. It's not just the protein. protests.
Return
Protesting
296 for
agitators
now.
and, professional insurrectionists. That's what
Okay,
they are.
yeah, I would like to.
Troublemakers. But we are looking very strong at the money too in Minnesota and other places.
I think, Mr. President, also the $500 billion invested in artificial intelligence and the frontier technologies last year also were driving growth exponentially.
Trust your intuition more, my Flo, Trader Career, but if I trust it
I mean, Mark Zuckerberg
even
showed me a
more
plant
in
where
some
he put
days
it over
like
a
today,
map of Manhattan,
it's
and it was
happen.
basically the
It's gonna
size
happen
of
the same
Manhattan.
thing than yesterday, and I would hit my biggest
It's
loss.
a plant that was
So
miles
yeah,
long, miles
sometimes it
wide,
works, and when it's
very
not
high.
working
I
like
think it was
yesterday,
high like the Empire State
bam,
Building, but it was
I
high.
lose so much.
And it literally covered
And
most of the
yesterday I
island of
got
Manhattan. That's
my
called a big
I
plant, and,
hit
you know,
my hard stop,
they're gonna
my
spend
hard
50
daily stop.
billion building
So
it. I said,
today I
well,
just
you
want
know,
to be
if you
in my
spend 50
mind.
million, you can build a
I
nice
approach the
shopping
market
center.
today
You spend
just
500 million, you can build a good
safely.
shopping
I want to
center.
be safe. I want to
But how
prove
do
to
you
myself that
spend
I'm
50
able
billion? When I looked at this thing,
to win.
I said,
I'm
"You think
able
you'll
to
get
read the
proof of
market
that?"
correctly,
It's,
even if I
it's
know
amazing
it.
when,
But
some
I
of
want
the
to
plants,
prove
and I see
to
them all.
myself again
And
that
again,
I'm
some
able
leaders
to
were
do it.
letting
You know,
them
you,
build their
it's
own
just
electric
a,
generation.
a, mi-
This way we
a
have no
mental
problem.
game, a
And
mental fight
otherwise they'd be complaining,
every
there'd be
single
nobody
day.
able to build. You know, we have an old grid system. And not only that, they're going to sell at a
Intuition
very
plus
cheap
technical,
price
but not
the
intuition
excess
alone.
electricity that
Yeah.
they create back into our grid. So that'll solve some problems for certain states that don't have enough electricity.
We also know that on the AI, there is fierce competition between the US as the largest economy in the world, 27% of the global GDP and 5% of the global population, not doing that badly, and China. And we know that that competition is very tough on AI. I know you're heading to a state visit.
I'm starting to trade my first
How do you
25k
see,
static cash account
the
today.
US
Let's go, baby! Let's go,
relationship
Jay!
moving forward? Are you
Can I
able to
start another
combine
account if I fail
this
to reach
tough competition with also
1500 gold, or
collaboration?
do I have to wait 30
So I've always
days?
had a very good relationship with President Xi and with President Putin.
Can I
Talk
start
about, you know,
another account
the
if
larger
I
powers.
fail to reach
But I've always had a very
gold,
good
or do I have
relationship
to wait
with
30 days?
President
No!
Xi of China.
Of course, you
He's an
can
incredible man.
you can do
What he's done
whatever
is
you want,
amazing. He's highly
Jay.
respected by
If you want to
everybody.
trade
And I do now. I mean,
only
now I have
one
people who was
account, you
very
can. If you
severely
want to trade
interrupted
10
by
accounts in
COVID.
the same
I
time,
used
you
to call it
can.
the China virus, but
Especially,
he said,
for
"Do you
example,
think you
with
could use a
a
different
trade
name?"
copier over there, trade
And
copier.
he decided to do that.
By
Because
deep
why
chart,
should we have a problem over
or
that?
Quantower
But,
offers you
do
a
that
trade
and
copier
you were
too.
True diplomat, huh?
If
I
you
was
want to
speaking to
trade
diplomat for
50
the first
accounts
time.
in the
They
same
never
time, you
taught me
can.
that,
If you want to
Marco
trade
Rubio.
100
Marco
accounts
Rubio.
in the same time,
He
you
said, "Let
can.
me teach you about diplomacy."
You can do
One guy
whatever
that
you
gets
want,
approved by
Jay.
100% of the votes. Think of it. He got
We all
liberal
done that, just
Democrats
part of the
and
game. That's how
radical
you
right
recover.
Republicans.
I know. Thank you,
He's
thank you,
won
Lindsay.
one. The next one
Thank you.
was, like, lost 45
We are all
votes,
human,
but he got
unfortunately
all
sometimes.
100 votes voting for him.
There's
And at first I
no
wasn't happy
waiting.
about it. I
You
said,
can
"No,
start
no,
when
I
you
don't
want.
like
Yeah,
it." And now it
compression
turns out that the
divergence.
Democrats
Need the
probably wish
correction.
they didn't do that.
That's what I'm waiting
And
for.
Marco's been
On my
fantastic.
second
Marco, stand
attempt.
up, please. You have done a great job as Secretary of State. He's going to go down as the best Secretary of State. And
What do you
Scott,
mean by your second
and we have,
attempt?
Susie, who's the first female Chief of Staff.
How many
and
times
she's
the
best
race
Chief of Staff,
today?
too.
Well, not a long one. But even today, if we are doing one, it's not for a giveaway, just for fun.
I want to pay
Like these past 2 days.
because we have
And then
Chris, and Chris,
tomorrow
you
we'll
spoke,
start
I think,
again
you were-
for a
he's the
giveaway.
#1 oil man in the world, because I was going to put Doug Burgum, who's fantastic. I don't know if Doug's here. Is Doug here? Doug Burgum is fantastic. He said, "Sir, there's one man better than me."
Trading 4 other
Introduced
25k
me to
static
Chris,
accounts as well.
and he
Up
turns
about
out to
600
be-
enters
so we're
right now.
doing
Let's go,
more
baby!
podcasts now than we ever have by almost double.
You did
So
almost
Chris,
half of the way.
top of it.
You just need to do the same thing one more time and then boom,
Anyway, so
you
we're
succeeded.
We're doing great. The country is just doing great. We have great people. Thank you. And I see other people. We have Steve Whitcuff. We have Jared. I got so many people. I'm in trouble because when I go back They're going to be people with long faces, sir. You didn't
Okay,
introduce-
what
I
he
got
says,
so many
another
people.
thing,
And
Trump,
we have
Greenland is
a lot of
costing
the greatest
Denmark
people
hundreds of
anywhere in the world. I know
millions
'em all.
to rent
So, I
pending
won't
home sales
continue
December
because we'd be
report.
here
Trump
all
and
day.
China are
Th-
good
thank you, Mr.
relationship
President.
with
We all
President
know
Xi.
that you're a deal maker, and then maybe coming back to Greenland and Ukraine. What kind of deal in the end do you see between the U.S. And Denmark? Because
Just trying to clarify the cash account rules. If you are in cash accounts, you can only have and get 5 cash accounts for a 25k static account. Okay,
Ice.
maximum.
It's very important. I mean,
Where's my man, Big Boss Mike,
but it's
with
very
his long
important
throw?
that we use that for
He's
national
long
and
at
international security.
25,130.
That can create
Whoa.
a power that will make it impossible
He's on another
for the
stream.
bad guys to do
Either
anything
Tom or Lappy
against
Vet.
the perceived
Maybe
good
Tom.
ones. And it's a great block for Europe, just like, Denmark was supposed to spend hundreds of
Flo, get
millions
ready
of
for
dollars. They didn't
support
spend
at
the money. They didn't spend
284.
anything, almost.
Okay,
And we'll see what happens.
284.
I just say this. NATO has treated the
Soon
United
at
States of America very unfairly. We never asked for anything.
310.
We never got anything. We actually
300,
took care of the needs of
310,
NATO for
I have
years and years, which I felt
an
was always
area
unfair, so
where
I
the
got
market
NATO
can
to
pull
pay,
back to.
because they're rich countries.
So I
But,
would be ready
I
to
think it's
take a
time for
long
NATO to step up.
between
We're helping them
310,
with Ukraine.
300.
Without us,
We'll
I
see.
think Putin would have gone all the way. I think we have it. I think
But
Putin- I
then
think
we
it
are
could have been a
just so
World War III,
close
if you wanna know
about
the
his
truth.
1 hour Fin lines.
If Kamala was elected, or Joe, any one of those, those thinkers, I think you could have ended up in World War III. And I will say Steve Witkoff has been dealing incredibly with, but we're not going to have World War III. We want to get it stopped, but we're not going to have World War III. I think if I wasn't elected, I think that could have evolved into World War III. It was a very, very bad situation, and it still is, but it's not that kind of bad. It's bad because so many young people are being killed.
How close do you think there is on an agreement on Ukraine? I had the pleasure of speaking with Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner yesterday.
Hi,
I know they're
PPTV,
working
hello,
hard
Rino
on
name.
it.
How are you
I
doing?
know that they're also traveling now. Do you see this very close or still?
Well, I hate to say it. I thought that was going to be, so I settled 8 wars plus. And I thought that was going to be one of my easier ones. Not the easiest. Some I settled in a matter of hours because I'm good at that stuff. The United Nations should be doing this. I shouldn't be doing it, but it doesn't matter. It's got to get done, saving a lot of lives. We're saving millions of lives. With Ukraine, Russia, there's tremendous hatred between President
tremendous
Zelensky and
hatred.
President Putin. That's not good. That's not good for settlements. We know from dealing. There's abnormal hatred. With that being said, I think Russia wants to make a deal. I think Ukraine wants to make a deal. And we're going to try getting a deal done. I think, Steve, I think I can say that we're reasonably close.
Okay, everyone is taking some profits in the dam, but the market, the price stays at the same level. That's interesting. So it's pretty bullish.
Want to make the deal. It's a very difficult balance, and it's big time, and it is. To use a word, it's a bloodbath. It's horrible what's happening. It's a drone war. The drones are killing.
The market is trumping.
Thousands. We have to get it stopped. So I believe they're at a point now. I'm going to meet with President Zelensky later today. I believe they're at a point now where they can come together and get a deal done. And if they don't, they're stupid. That goes for both of them.
If they don't,
And I know they're not stupid.
if the president of Ukraine doesn't make a deal with us, he's stupid.
I don't want to insult anyone, but you got to get this deal done. Too many people are dying. It's not worth it.
President Sisi is sitting on the first row here. He spoke earlier today and also complimented you on the Gaza deal.
Okay,
I think there will
I
be a
just want to
signing
try along
tomorrow. Of course, there are
over
different
there.
views on this,
I'm
but,
anticipating, I don't like it,
important do you think this
but
signing
maybe
is
it
on
could
the
worth
board
it.
of peace? And do you think this
Maybe.
is going to sustain?
Maybe not.
Do you think we now will see Gaza reconstructed and billions of US dollars invested?
I do. I mean, I think we have peace in the Middle East. There are some little situations like Hamas, and Hamas has agreed to give up their weapons. Now, you know, they were born with a
Okay.
weapon in their hand.
It
So
doesn't
it's not
worth
easy
it.
to do. When they were born,
Ah.
were born with a rifle in their hand.
Come on!
It's not an easy
Reject
thing
it.
for them, but that's what they agreed to. They've got to do it. And we're going to know, Jared, over the next 2 or 3 days, certainly over the next 3 weeks, whether or not they're going to do it. If they don't do it, they'll be blown away very quickly. They'll be blown away. You know, we have 59
Too early,
countries
too long.
that are part
Yeah,
of the
we'll
whole
see.
peace deal. And some of those countries aren't even
If
in,
it's
they're
rip
near
back
the
up,
Middle East,
I'm
but they're not
in.
the Middle East
Otherwise,
traditionally.
small loss,
And
and
they
I
wanna
would be
come in and
ready to
out
take another
Hamas.
later.
They want to come in. They want to do whatever they can. There's a problem with Hezbollah.
But
in
yeah,
Lebanon,
I don't like it.
and we'll
Maybe
see
I'm
what
gonna
happens
scratch
there,
it.
But that's a problem. But there are these little flames. But there's peace in the Middle East now.
Let's
Have
scratch
we
it.
not gone in and knocked out with those big, beautiful? We just ordered 25 brand
Scratch,
new ones,
scratch,
the
scratch.
latest in the
Let's
guns.
go, small
The
loss.
B-2 bomber. Think of them. They went in there at 2 o'clock in the morning
Almost flat.
with no moon, no light, no nothing, and every single one of those massive bombs hit its target. 100,000-pound bombs hit its target. Every one of them. And then on top of it, from a submarine 300 miles away, we hit the sites with tomahawks, which is an unbelievable weapon. So, you know, we did our job. If we didn't do that, you would have never had peace in the Middle East. And the countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Qatar could never have.
Okay,
others
it's
could never have signed
dumping.
anything because you would have had this dark
Nice.
cloud, and the dark cloud was
We are
Iran with
breaking to
nuclear.
the
Iran would, if we didn't take them out, they
downside.
would have had a nuclear weapon within 2 months. They
side
were
scratch.
very
Yeah,
close to having
yeah,
a
nice
nuclear
scratch. Yeah,
weapon. We
yeah,
hit 'em
yeah,
hard.
yeah.
And it was a total obliteration.
Hello,
They're gonna
Learn,
try again, but
with the
they're gonna try
avatars.
from a different area because that area
What's
was
up?
obliterated. Incredible thing we did, and because we did that, we were able to make peace. If we didn't do that, I would say, Jared and Steve, if we didn't do that, there was no chance of making peace because the countries I just named and other countries could have never signed off. They were afraid. They were afraid. We had a bully. The bully was Iran, the bully of the Middle East. They used to call it for years. They were the bully of the Middle East. They're not the bully of the Middle East anymore.
Mr. President, I know you even had to change
Yeah, Rich, we said
plane,
long.
last night.
Thanks.
So I guess
Are you already long?
have much sleep, but
Okay, still
But
waiting.
your energy is still there. I know you have several bilateral meetings. I know you're also hosting a reception. So thank you so much for coming back to Davos. Thank you so much. It's highly appreciated.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody, very much.
Thank you, everybody, very much. Okay. So, at the end, he doesn't speak anymore. Let's go, baby! Market can do the things that he wants now. Trump's speech is over. Yeah, finally. He spoke during even almost 1 whole hour or something like that. I want to try a long over there. I've not the best entry, but just in case we are breaking to the upside, this trend line, this bull flag, bam, I would be in. Dun, 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 dun. In 15 minutes we have the initial balance, the first hour of this opening of this cash session. Okay, let's see. It seems that we are breaking up to the upside this bull flag. Nice, that's a nice confirmation. And now I need a continuation. He went to 10 points to my target. Hostage, don't wait for a good move. I don't speak English well. You can learn it now. No big balls at turns or at la pivot. None of you three are in position right now. Yes, I am. Trader Killer, I am. Let's go, baby. $10 points. Come on, come on. Push, 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 push. Don't forget that, guys. We are in the 1 hour fin lines. At any moment, we can reverse. And boom! Boom! I think I'm done for the day. $80 on my both 25k static account and $300 on my 100k accounts. Boom! We broke up to the upside is a bullish flag and then bam. Wonderful. Nice catch, yeah. Thank you. Strange projection mirage missile, but doesn't mind. He came back. We are filling the gap today, my boys and girls. Okay, do you really think so? No. I could even bet that today we are not filling this gap up. My gap is at 25,681.25. Impossible. Unless we have a big and huge catalyst. As I planned and as I was expecting, we are just rejecting for the moment the area of the 1 hour fin lines. Stupid NTA frozen. No way! How it's possible? I didn't even know that sometimes it's freezing. Nice result. Thank you, Ryo. Congrats. Thank you. Finally. Hello, Gaston. How are you doing? Still waiting, but now I have done my day. My day is done. We are on the 1 hour fill lines. It's a big level where the markets can reject it. So I think I'm not gonna be hurry to take any trades for the moment. In 10 minutes we have the initial balance, high and low. This is the first hour of the cash session. So I think I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then take some trades according the initial balance, according where I'm thinking that the market is going to break the initial balance. Okay, that's my plan for these next few minutes and hours. Gold crashing. A small crash, small crash. Nice profit target over there. Just rejecting the POC from 16th January dump. More push to come. Okay, okay. I would like to that we are coming back in 10 minutes at the initial balance high. If it breaks its trend line on 1 hour and push up again, possibility to fill gap tomorrow or this week. Yeah, I'm agree with you, Ryo. Tomorrow it's quite possible, or after tomorrow even more. But today, guys, I'm freaking starving. I'm not in shape, in my best shape. I need to eat. I'm gonna find something to eat. Today is so far. Okay. We are coming back. We are coming back, and in this 1 hour fill lines too. I'm not gonna take any trades for the moment in this area. Let's wait. Liked the market action better yesterday. Oh, I'm definitely, Brad. I'm so agree with you. Yesterday, wow, I was so fucked up. So fucked by the market. He just take me and put me on the chair and he told me, Florian, don't worry, everything is going well. And BOOM! Yeah, today it's definitely better than yesterday. Hello, David! By the way, I'm long from 25,108. Not on futures market if you are at 96. In swing or what? Trader Career or in day trade? Okay, in 3 minutes we have the initial balance. That's what I'm waiting. We have no more buyers currently. Swing on interactive broker. Okay. So on which asset? ETF or CFDs? I don't know. Two minutes before the initial balance. Yeah, maybe he took on the QQQ, the ETF QQQ, or CFD. Okay, we are doing new high of the day. We are still again on the 1 hour thin lines. Promise I will create my Phidias account this week. And Trader Career, you still have the code that I gave you last month or what? Because guys, Trader Career won during the first week when we organized the giveaway. So it was the second week of December. He won an account by Phidias Propfirm, but I gave him a code that he didn't even use it yet. I can't understand. Alright, done! Okay, initial balance. No! I want to play the break. But if you... No, and done. We are already break it. It is initial balance. Don't think so that today there's going to be an opportunity for this, but never mind, I'm winning. I'm winning anyway today, so that's fine. The code worst I tested last night. Okay, perfect. Oof. What? Hello, my friend. How are you, Propfirm Brazil? I'm ready for the race. And you see me? Do you see me? Today I even put and wear a duck pullover. Today I want to be a duck. So that's why I'm in yellow. Wow. Can you give us a bigger pullback, Nasdaq? Can I win Phidias account? Not today, but tomorrow. Today it's only for those who participated and answered all on the chat for all the quiz about these two past days on this bootcamp. I noted everyone. There are 32 participants, 32 persons who were active on the chat during the quiz these past 2 days. I have everyone, and I'm gonna later when I'm over on this trading session, I'm gonna do a giveaway on this with these 32 persons. Oh, we can nah, not a duck race for this one, just a normal giveaway. But then we can do a duck race, but without giveaway. I miss one day. Which code? What do you mean which code? But don't worry, guys. Normally, from tomorrow we're starting back. Whoa! Nasdaq! Stop! At some point you need to give us a pullback. Jump talk. VIX is lowering. Yeah, I guess so. With this kind of moves, the VIX can only be lower and lower. Yes. No, don't worry. It's not for you. It's not for you. Please, 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 please. The yes, by the way, guys, he's right now on his 1 hour Finlines too. So the Nasdaq is a bit stronger than yes. No pullback, no trade, never take a risk on it on this moment. Yeah. But it's so frustrating when you are seeing the market doing this kind of price, guys. Yeah, that's why there's no problem. I don't take any trade, but it's so frustrating. Did you just praise the God? Thank you. Yeah. You read me say, yeah. I'm just praying. Amen. God our Father, God bless America, and God bless Nasdaq. But for that, if you want to bless Nasdaq, just right now, currently give us a pullback, please, God. And if you give us a pullback, just God bless everyone. Jay, man, got long at 25,353. Nice. On the last pullback, actually. I wish I would have taken more than one micro now. Tell to yourself that you manage your risk correctly, so don't be frustrating about that. At least you are in and surfing on this move. Unlike all the others, like me, for example, who are just watching this move without being inside. I'm having FOMO kryptonite. No! Don't FOMO kryptonite! Don't FOMO! You know what? I'm gonna FOMO for you! Look! I'm gonna take a new 25k static account. Put 1 mini and put a bid long. Okay, I'm filled. Let's go, baby. And let's put a TP at 59. Or I'm flexible. I'm FOMO for you. I'm doing this shit for you guys. I'm doing this shit, the shit that you don't have to do it for you, to show you what is going to be the result to FOMO at the worst moment, guys. At the worst moment. And I'm gonna blow this account. Time to short, bro. I'm gonna blow it. But at least the music is chilling. We are just chilling, guys. I'm right now with 1 mini NQ at the highest of the day, and I'm chilling. I have this talent to buy the high of the day and short the low. Okay. Look! I'm gonna win this trade. Put the TP at 532. No, it's too far without any pullback. No, I just need that the market goes to 516 to validate this challenge. No, I'm gonna be stopped. Let's short it, guys. I can't, guys. For me, I'm gonna be stopped. It's impossible that the NQ goes to 500 without any pullback, just straightforward. It's just impossible. Otherwise, if it goes to 500, it show you a lesson. A lesson that FOMO is good. FOMO is good. And if I'm stopped, that's the most probable. It shows you that FOMO is not good. Anything is possible with NQ. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I did FOMO long too. Mirage message. Let's try 487. What is your entry? Mirage message. It's just impossible. Was 43, but I closed it. Okay. At least you won on it. Beer, bro. No, I'm FOMO. I want to show you if you are FOMOing. What is the result until the end? Now, at some point, I'm gonna be a break even. He starts to be weak. He starts to be weaker. I think we're gonna trade his account with one mini. With several trades, not in only one, okay? Maybe I'm gonna cash $300, $400, $500 and then wait another setup and boom, trade it like that, I'm gonna try to validate this account because it's a new one. I'm gonna try to validate this account in only 1 day. In only 1 day. Guys, I don't know why I'm trading with one micro every single day since more than 1 month. I just need to FOMO, put one mini on the NQ, one mini NQ in FOMO at the highest point of the day, and just let's run it, and boom, you can validate your challenge. So easy, guys. I FOMO again, 30 tick. That's it, Alexander. Let's duck the position. I'm still thinking that it's impossible the NQ is going to my target. That's it, 1 mini. Yeah, but if I'm in a cash account, I cannot trade with 1 mini. I'm gonna try trade it like in evaluation. Once I'm gonna be in cash, I have to trade it with 1 micro. Let's go, baby, push! Your target is too greedy, but 87 is possible. I just follow you guys. I just follow the chat and follow the advices of Trader Courier. And I follow in the same time my profit target. As an idiot guy. I need $1,500. Okay, I put my target at $1,500. Look at these insane charts, guys. Insane. Insane. Whoa. Maybe it's a reverse over there. Maybe not. Let's put break even. Maybe if you success this static account, you could give it to me. The joke of the day, I think. I think it was the joke of the day. Actually, who told me I'm FOMO? It was Kryptonite. It was Kryptonite. It was thanks to Kryptonite that I take this trade. So if I have to give it to one, it would be to Kryptonite. Are you using deep charts currently, Samuel? Oh yes! That's deep chart, guys. Look. Deep chart. Hey, my man! He's my man. You wanted to prove FOMO is bad and you validated. Yeah, Kryptonite! Thanks to you! Thanks to you! I want... Guys, so the lesson is... for this third day of this bootcamp is FOMO is good in trading. Just when you feel some FOMO feelings, just dive into it. Dive into the market. If the market goes straight forward without any pullback, dive into it with 1 mini all in, and then you're gonna succeed. Or maybe your challenge, or you're gonna get a lot of payout. That's just insane. I'm still thinking that it's not... Now I'm thinking that it's not impossible that he hit 500, but impossible that he hit 516. Guys, it's just insane. That's just insane. I'm gonna validate it. Okay, and now we are in the gap. We are just currently filling this gap slowly. We broke over there and we are in the no man's land. Let's see, baby. The candles are getting smaller. Deep chart looks really nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a nice platform. Oh, maybe I have to go out. Maybe I have to go out. And take it back later. Juan Ved, hello! How can I compete in the duckling race? Just watch the live stream. Just watch the live stream, and when we are organizing one, put the code on the chat, and that's it. That's it. Maybe you could win a duck race. Maybe you're gonna find out a talent that you don't know yet. That you are the fastest duck in the world. That's crazy counterintuitive. We hit 87. Oh, we hit it or not? 86.50. 86.50. So at 2 ticks to 87. And we are coming back! Guys, I'm gonna validate in FOMO to show you that FOMO is not good. So yes, it does. It's good, FOMO. It's good! I'm gonna validate this first static account in all-in, in only one trade, by FOMO. All the things that you haven't, that you cannot do it, everything that you are seeing and listening and hear on internet. No, you don't have to FOMO. No, it's not good to pay to take a long on the high point of the day. You need to wait a pullback. No, it's not good to short. No, you don't have to be human on the market. You have to be like a machine. You don't have to feel emotions, okay? Just put aside your emotions. No! Look in live, baby! I listen my emotions, I listen your emotions, and then you told me that you are currently FOMO, so that's why, okay, I told you guys, I'm gonna FOMO for you. I'm gonna FOMO for you with a 25k static account by Phidias Propfirm with the PPTV code, and then I'm doing right now $700. I can still lose it. I can still lose it. Okay? But it starts to be weak. It starts to be weak. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. It's 500. I think that we can at any moment we can pull back. With the avatars, you are brave. I'm not brave. I'm just human. Did you see good events, guys? I was stuck in a trade on silver, I'm back. Marco Polo, let's go, baby! Silver is just doing the same thing than the gold. Okay. If it doesn't bounce over there, I would win this one. I wish I took this with mini and not micro. To reject at 87. Yeah. Why not coming a third time on the 87 to break it? Because the third time it's always a good one. Dumb people who say no FOMO, don't master gambling, and you are a gamble master. Let's go, baby! And who's winning the most? The gamblers or just those who's trying to follow correctly some rules, some retail rules? Don't know. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. So you must have a dedicated FOMO account. Oh, why not? Yeah, Alexandre. Nice idea. Good idea. My swing TP is at 680. Ooh, pretty close. 680 at the gap. At the gap. Come on, push! Maybe a chance to a last long is coming. And if I reinforce, and if it goes up, I would even win more than right now. So why not reinforce, guys? Because I still FOMO again and again. I think I want to reinforce, but my angel tell me that in my ear that it's not a good idea. That just the most stupid thing that you get. But my devil at my left shoulders just telling me right now, come on, Flo, come on. Reinforce, because you are done. Come on, Flo. Your FOMO angel. Come on. The gamblers win the most, but also lose the most. Yeah. They're both extreme. Normally, that's it. That is why demo accounts are made for. Reinforce. Okay, I listen, my devil. I listen, my devil. Let's go, baby. I just reinforce because I'm the stupidest. The most stupid gamblers. But anyway, I cannot lose. And if he's pushing, I'm gonna win and validate his account. But I don't think so that he's gonna push. Because I can see that in few minutes there's a chance to break it down. And guys, seriously, I'm not trading anymore my real accounts where I'm trading properly, safely, correctly, with a low size, okay? Come on, bounce! Bounce, 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 bounce! You just need to reach 97.25 and I would validate this challenge, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a static account in cash! Let's go, baby! Phidias will reward me for my gambling skills. Won't move, no, because market makers are just watching my stream and they saw that, like yesterday, that I'm all in on a static account. I'm so close to validate one account, that's why they stuck the market. And he's not moving anymore. He's gonna hit my break-even stop like yesterday, and then he's gonna rip back up and hit the 500. The classic. They are going to do a classic one. It's 11 a.m. normal. Deep chart is specialized in footprint and volume profile. When you want, baby. This pattern is a distribution pattern, and this distribution pattern, when we are making lower highs and the lows at the same level, it tends to break it down. So I'm gonna be stopped. Break even. This is some boring market watching. Oh yeah. That's why I'm all in, baby. Trying to be less boring than it was. Let's go, David! Stopped. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna trade it again. This account. Okay. Gambling is not good, guys. Let's reverse the position. Okay. Almost. Almost. I forgot to take my profits. We are violently reject the laws. That's interesting. Don't short. I was winning in short. Now 45, it can bounce up. Okay, if it bounced, I'm taking. Okay, I'm long, baby, I'm long. I'm long, all in, and I have only $200 of drawdown. You need to push. Let's short Ferrari. Good luck. Blow it. I was so close to validate it and then blow. That's why you don't have to trade minis, guys, on the static account. Okay, so finally, FOMO it's not good, guys. FOMO it's not good. That's that's the lesson about the third day of this bootcamp. FOMO it's not good, guys, because maybe you can win at the beginning, but then the end is always bad. It's gonna always end badly. And that's why I'm trying to trade with my static account and my 100k fundamental and swing account with 1 micros, 4 micros, according the size of the account. And yeah, it's just a classic bull flag. Come on, looks like a wolf wave. Does already a wolf wave worked? I never saw a wolf wave working in intraday. Never. YM is getting lower direction. I have seen lots working, but I don't trade Wolf. Okay. No. Okay, and now after a huge bullish moves like that, it's just gonna, the volatility is just gonna shrinking, the market is just gonna ranging, pulling back slowly, no opportunities, especially after 11 a.m., even more when we are at noon. So that's why I'm not gonna take any trades on my real accounts. It's a kind of expansion. Long. Plus 40 tick. Let's go, baby. Mirage message. Do we gonna break this bull flag or not? It seems yes. Let's see. Ta. Let's go, baby! Oh. On another static, always. All in. I put a target just below 500. Mino. Okay, if he goes to 509, bam, I'm done. But this one, if I can avoid to blow it, it would be fine. It would be nice. Because yesterday we did the same thing, the same shit. We just hit my break-even stop and then we ripped back up and I would be succeed to a static account. Yeah, I removed my stop. Nope. Okay. Choppy market. Choppy market. We have the confirmation that right now it's a choppy market. By chance I don't trade it on my real accounts. Florian looks like he's feeling a bit tired. Yeah? Because I'm not crazy or what? And the ES, look at the ES. The ES is still on his 1 hour fill lines. Don't know yet if it's a real bounce, pullback, or if we're gonna reject it. Yes, he needed a race. I'm a dog today with my pull. It's been a while since he yelled. Okay, that's why. That's why. Okay. The bears, the bulls, and the ducks. It's still bullish over there, but honestly, I don't know. The idea is to do nothing in scalping or day trading at this point. Once long for now. Yeah. And even not short too. But it could, yeah. Let's take a look at the VIX. The VIX is just filling his gap. Nice. I know personally when I'm trading this market, when we are right now, I'm losing 100% of the time. So that's why I'm not trade it on my real accounts. Yeah, and in an half hour, something like that, or around an half hour, we're gonna do the giveaway for the 32 participants who were active on the chat during the quiz these past 2 days. Let's go, baby! You could win! For the winner, for the 3 winners, you could win the account of your choice in Eval. Let's go, baby. PPTV, hey bro. BP need another static account. Everyone needs another static account. I need to. No, bro. Okay, it seems that we are just pulling back, especially on the yes. Look at the yes, he broke his previous low. And on the NQ, a pullback on the 1 minute fill lines, it would be nice, really nice, to take a long on it. Need the contest. Yeah, failed my first one, but second. The second one is doing better. And how many profits do you have onto the second one? Or how much do you need to do again to reach the profit target? Not so bad then. I need static too. Me too! After this two blows up accounts, me too. Let's go, baby, a long time. But I will not take it. I stop for today. Me too, I stop. Just looking just in case we are bouncing on the 1 minute fill lines till the next few minutes, otherwise I'm stopped. After 11 AM it's always complicated. When the volume are getting lower, for example right now, and when we had a huge push during the first 10.5 hour, yeah, after 11 AM it's a bit tough. But sometimes between 11 AM and noon we have a lot of things to. Hello, Bling Bling! It's still bullish, guys. It's still bullish. You have to be crazy to take a short over there. It's so much more better to wait a long entry and wait some confirmation to take another long. If I have absolutely to do something, I would do that. And at the open, I just took a small win, then I tried a long over there. I was, and I scratched it, so I just got a small loss, and then I took it back this long, and I played all this nice move, and I'm winning on my both 25k static account and on my 100k fundamental and swing. And Chukawa. What is it? Chaukawa. What is it? Down this long wheel works. I'm resisting to the temptation. Do you want that I FOMO for you or what? Mirage message. Again, it's like a war between me and the ring. Okay, let's take a look on the swing opportunities. So yes, as I just said at the beginning of this live stream, we are bound, and on the Nasdaq 2 we are bouncing. We are bouncing on the daily fin lines, so it could be a swing opportunity over there. Ideally on the 1 hour fin lines, it would be even more good to take it a long in swing than just right now. So I'm gonna wait. If we are pulling back on the 1 hour fin lines and then we are rejecting it and bouncing on it, I'm gonna take a long in swing on my swing account. What else? What else? The gold. The gold. The gold is just insane. I cannot take any swings at this point. I cannot. The silver is bouncing right now, or it seems a bounce right now on the 1 hour fin lines. But he's just ranging and he's so high, I cannot take a trade on it too. The crude oil just range, I don't like it. I took a short over there, it didn't work. So I'm not gonna touch it anymore. This crude oil. The copper is just ranging too. He filled his gap over there and follow the craziness of the silver and the gold, and that's it. Euro, no. Nothing. Why not taking a short on the Bitcoin? But taking a short at the Bitcoin at the middle of the range, I don't like it too. So I'm not gonna take a swing at this point. I would prefer to take it at $94,000 instead of here. Yeah, that's it. So for the moment, the only one opportunities in swing that I see, it's on the NQ and ES. Taking a long on the daily fin lines. So I'm just gonna optimize my entries, my timing, waiting a pull back on the 1 hour fin lines, and then bam, take a long. We are still ranging. Flo, update us on your 10k Jordan challenge. Nothing. The only... Oh, wait. A coffee. Just 5 ticks and I'm validated on a 50k. No way, Reno name! Let's go, baby! Come on, 5 ticks is nothing! So let's update the 10k drawdown challenge. There are only the first, the two first guys, Hassan and Heraldo, who just keep going and winning a lot. I think they are unreachable anymore. Nobody, unless he blow up his accounts, I think they are unbeatable. And especially Hassan. I think Heraldo, if he keeps his balance of $395,000, is gonna be really tough to search him, but not impossible. But then I'm thinking, and I'm gonna try to beat at least Doret, and try to be on the podium. I can beat her, I know. And that's it. Like that I can win at least $2,000! And $2,160. Don't forget, guys, my main objective this year is to end for every 10k challenges, 10k drawdown challenges, for everyone. My main objective, my main purpose is to end it in the top 10. And right now, with this balance of $215,000, I have the guarantee to be in the top 10. But I want to beat her. Doret. Come on, Doret. Okay, we are right now on the 1 minute fill lines. Let's see if we're gonna have a pullback on it or not. Hello, Tiny Toons. I'm home. Let's go, baby. Perfect. You are ready for the giveaway. Now 45 can bounce up. I forgot your bot. When does the 10k drawdown challenge end? The 27th February. Will there be another one? No reason to join it now. Yes, you have still 1 month and 1 week. It's when you are looking. When you look at the top 10, it's only a few days. And guys, the highest PNL they are just doing in 1 day, guys. And look at the top 10. He has only $33,000 of balance. It's absolutely accessible to beat him and search the top 10 for the moment. So I'm not agree with you, Jay. You have still enough time to join this 10k drawdown challenge. We are not at only. It's not the last week of the 10k drawdown challenge, and even the previous 10k drawdown challenge, I only traded it during the last week in live. From Monday to Friday, I traded it, and I show you in live that it's possible even the last day to reach the top 10, and I was second. So even until the last day of the 10k drawdown challenge, it's still possible. And look, even if you are not among the top 10, but in the top 10%, excluding the top 10, so in the blue boxes, look, you just need to win $14,000, then you will have $24,000 of balance. And if you are among the top 10%, you are winning a 50k OTP fundamental account. So that's worth it, guys. That's really worth it. And it's pretty accessible too. How many places are paid? If you want to see everything, Just I invite you to go on the 10K Jordan Challenge website, but the top 10 are just paying these prices. There are $24,000 of prize pool sharing by the first 10 guys. Okay, the first is winning $12,000 and the 10th is winning $540. Then the top 10%, excluding the top 10, is winning a 50K OTP fundamental account. The top 50%, excluding the top 10 and top 10%, win a promo code of 90% off for an evaluation of your choice. And everyone is winning a 80% promo code for an evaluation of your choice. So everyone is winning on this challenge. No. Oh, we are just breaking down to the downside, the 1 minute fill lines. So maybe later, these next few hours, it could be interesting to take a long as a swing trading. But right now, I'm doing good to don't trade anymore since 10 a.m. 16 to didn't take any trades. Yeah, I'm doing good. No, sounds good. Thanks. You're welcome. With pleasure. Bootcamp was till yesterday, right? Did I miss today? No, Tiny Toons. No. We just put in practice everything what we saw in the bootcamp, like every day, and in a few minutes I'm gonna do the giveaway. I'm gonna select. It's not me, but there are 32 participants who answered during the quiz these past 2 days. So that's why I'm gonna put all of these 32 participants in the giveaway software, and then we're gonna select 3 winners. And for the 3 winners, they are going to be able to choose their accounts of their choice. We are in a duck market today. Oh, yeah, so much. Let's go. Even the FOMO we put in even the FOMO. Imagine, guys, we are even tested the FOMO, and the result is it ends badly. Quack race. And if you want to, we can do a quack race, a duck race, but just for fun. Tomorrow we start again. Tomorrow we start again the duck race. From every 100 likes. No, you didn't miss. Hope you hold in the GC long straight. No, I'm not anymore in long on the gold trail. Yeah. No way, you nailed it. Until gold. Wow! Hello, Cathy! Let's get the giveaway out of the way before doing a duck race. Yeah, of course, Brad, of course. In 5-10 minutes, I'm gonna do the giveaway. The FOMO trade didn't validate the 20... No, it was so close, SG, so close. And I reinforce and I blow up everything. I booked half at 4,870 and I did it back No way. No way. Kryptonite, no, Tiny Toons, Tiny Toons and Kryptonite, you are in a relationship altogether. So you just your market. I find that, and I have this impression that your market, it's not the NQ, it's the goal. You just nailed it on the goal. Pick up your phone. I'm calling you since morning. Really, Tiny Toons? I have not my phone right now, but since this morning I didn't have anything. But I'm gonna check it out after the live stream. How many is my pivot? I don't use the pivot. Okay. Let's start the giveaway, guys. For all those who answered on the quiz these past 2 days. I cannot use my giveaway platform, but I'm gonna, never mind, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. Okay, let's go! So the 32 participants, guys, are Kryptonite, Brad, Techman, Lindsay, Jogi Meister, Alexandre, Olivier, Propfirm, Brazil, DQC, BB Fog, Mike Cake, Mr. Big Boss, Mary Foshu, Many Tries, Barroom Trader, Lemazola, J, Memo Trading, Tonito, Tronsco, Peace of Mind, Stanunes, Tiny Toons, Satish, Reno Name, Ryo, Sire Mamat, Adita Anja Landry, Laurent Thomas, Saint Marco Polo, P. Santos, Kerry Bailencons, Rolandus, and Sonny Free. Let's go, baby! Lindsay, are you in? I don't even know if you're... Lindsay, yes, you are in. Okay, and so now I'm gonna ask to ChatGPT make a draw to select one winner among this list for a giveaway after 3 days of bootcamp on the trading live stream of Phidias Propfirm. Let's go, baby! Alright! So, Mr. Big Bird. Who's gonna win the first account of his choice in Eval? Let's freaking go! Let's freaking go! Let's freaking go! Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is just dumping. The first winner is Boo! And let's go, baby! Memo trading! Memo trading! The first winner among among three winners. Memo trading. Where he was? Ah, over there. Me. Huge congrats, thanks to everyone who participated. Okay. Memo trading, are you here? Otherwise, it doesn't mind. Now, you can always contact me. Now, make another draw to select a second winner for this giveaway. Okay, ready? And the second winner is round 2, baby! Bedroom Trader! Let's go! He's here, I think. Maybe he's not fast on the duck race, but at least he won an account thanks to the bootcamp. Let's go, baby! Bedroom Trader, are you here? And now, make another draw to select the third Bedroom Trader. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Just contact me. Send me a DM on Discord, ideally on Discord, and we stay in touch. Okay. Now make another draw to select the third and last winner for this giveaway. Okay, the last one for the day. Who's gonna be? Oh, the last one. Is boom! Final draw, last winner! Kryptonite! Let's freaking go! Guys, how is possible that his girlfriend just won 2 duck races last week? Yeah, last week. And now it's his boyfriend who's winning another account by Phidias Propfirm. How it's possible? I don't know how. But Tiny Toons, his girlfriend, promised me that if one time Kryptonite is winning, he's gonna send me a video doing the Phidias dance. And the Phidias dance, guys, it's like that. So you know what you have to do, Kryptonite. You know what you have to do. Charmed life. Are you kidding me? Kryptonite, I want this video. Okay? And we are in touch on Instagram. So send me another message on Instagram and we are going to speak about it, okay? Some are lucky in life, some are... Oh, we just bounced on the VWAP over there. No, 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 no. Phew, I'm relieved. I never win anything. Don't worry, Marco Polo. One time, your time is gonna come. Okay. But you forgot my name in the list, Mirage message. No, no, no. If you were not in the list, it means that you have not participated at the both days in the quiz. Hello, Vashkiri! How are you doing, Vashkiri? And how is doing your account? Let's dance a mixed duck and Phidias dance for the winner. Let's dance a mixed duck? What is the duck dance? Game of probability. Don't worry. What you said? Don't worry, me neither of my life. The only ounce time I won, I was too late to keep the reward. Mirage message, don't worry, if you are winning another time on our channel, even if you are not here, I'm gonna keep it for you. Trade it well, Kryptonite. Yeah? You have to trade well. I never win either, don't worry. Yes, I come very later the first day. And me, I'm winning a duck race without giveaway. Tomorrow it starts again. Tomorrow we are doing a duck race of 25 minutes for a rare giveaway. So 10k Jordan challenge and only if we are reaching 100 likes as usual. Reply, I get to the account. You won, right? Marco Polo, again it's a first this time. Hello Loixo, how are you doing? Guys, we have a nasty rejections over there. A nasty rejection, guys. I would like to take a short, but I need another pullback, for example, like this one. But what a nasty one. Look at this. It's the roller coaster, guys. It's the roller coaster setup from the Nasdaq. And on the ES, we are just bouncing right now on the 15 minutes OPR. So let's see, we have to be careful on it. Need you and your girlfriend. We could organize extra duck race, but we have to find the giveaways. You want to do it one? Mirage message. The giveaway could be the same than yesterday. So I put the winner on the wall on my wall of fame for today. If you want to, guys, you're so lucky. I'm near the max drawdown on my 25k account. I took an unreasonable risk, still alive but fragile. Oh my god, Vashkiri! Oh my god! Oh my god, what just did you do on this account? Why you didn't manage correctly and properly your risk? Hello, Reusomeon! The winner of the duck race yesterday! How are you? Winner! Who are you? The fastest duck. Who are you? Oh, what's your feelings? And how is it to know that you are the fastest duck? The famous wall of duck. We never refuse a PPTV duck race. Okay, let's do one. I'm just looking to take a short. But if we have no pullback like these bullish moves, it's impossible, guys. It's impossible. Tiny Toons, duck race time. Yes, bro, definitely. Thank you, guys. But you see, my girlfriend is already trying to steal my... Yo, Simon, you want to be... Yesterday, you won the right to be on my wall of fame. That's it. That's it. And for life, you're gonna be in my home. Before to sleep every night, I'm gonna do a kiss to your name, Erosomion. Erosomion, have a good night. Have a good night. Erosomion, make sweet dreams. Erosomion, I love you. See you tomorrow. Come on, give us a pullback. Now tomorrow we start again the giveaway. Hold on, today I've done plus 200. wait, plus 200, then minus 2,400. So 2,500 of drawdown, and then plus 350 nothing. No way, Oloixo. What a performance what you just did today. What a performance. What an incredible performance, guys. Oloixo, today, congrats. You nailed it today too. Wow. Nice pullback, but I've already reached my target for today. So stay safe and consistency. We'll see everyone here tomorrow. Trade, thank you, Brad, to be here. See you tomorrow and have a good day, Brad. Have a good day. And don't worry, one day your time will come, Brad. Okay, it's like this bullish move. There's absolutely no pullback. The only one pullback that I could take, it was this one. But because we were above the VWAP, that's why I didn't want to take a short. But now I would like to, but I have no more pullback. Fuck. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna launch the registration for the duck race, for the funny fake duck race. PPTV on Phidias, guys. That is the code. PPTV on Phidias. PPTV on Phidias. Let's go. If you want to register for a new duck race, you know what you have to do. Just for fun, there's nothing to win. Unless the fact that you want to be on my wall. Only if you want to. US Supreme Court appears likely to deny Trump's request to immediately fire Fed's cook. Oh, interesting. Can I screen record and upload the giveaway winning on my IG flow? I will tag you. Can I screen record and upload the giveaway winning on my IG flow? Yes, of course, Bedroom Trader, of course. I will tag you, of course, with pleasure, yeah. What the fuck? You, me, but it's a lesson on plus 200 done, which is much more than needed. I thought, hey, it's a good day, let's continue and then punch one. A classic one, HoloXO, classic one, classic. Okay, maybe over there, there's a pullback. Maybe not. It's noon in US. Be careful. I'm looking for a short. Meanwhile, we have already 26 participants for this duck race. Let's go, baby! I'm gonna try a short, small short, on my real accounts. So on the 25k static account, I'm with 1 micros. And on the 100k account, I'm with plus 4 micros over there, 4 micros. We have right now 39 participants. 39! Okay, and meanwhile, the ES just did a pullback on his high of the 15 minutes OPR. That's a nice setup, but we need to keep going like that to dump. Why not to hold it until the previous low? Then it's we just bounce, guys, on the 15 minutes OPR, so I don't know if we're gonna break it down or not. I'm gonna see if we are just reaching this area, so the 223.20. I'm gonna look it if we have some probabilities or not to break it down. Let's see. We are just coming fastly on it. Let's go. The last trade that I took, it was at 10 a.m. 16, and then almost 2 hours later, I'm taking another trade. Okay, so we just hit the 15 minutes OPR. Let's go. We have a lot of sellers. It's quite possible that we're gonna break it down. Come on. More. And it would be a nice day today. A nice day. Unlike yesterday. Okay, and now it's possible that it's a reverse point to the upside, okay? we can reject this area, the 200s, 210. It's possible to go upside and pulling back. So that's why I'm gonna be careful right now. Ready to go out. What a trade, what a trade, what a trade! Okay, let's go, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's the thing I just said. I'm focused, guys. Sorry. Don't worry, we're gonna do the decrease. There are already 47 participants. Let's go, baby! 47 participants to win a duck race where there's nothing to win. I'm ready to go out. We have no more selling pressure. Fuck, I have to go out. I let the chance for the sellers to come again, and I let the chance to my trade. Okay, perfect. Let's break the 200s. Let's go, baby. The nightmare scenario would be a dump down to 24,750 by Friday. Oof, it would be insane. Do we gonna reject it, the 200s, or not? The same, I'm gonna let the chance to the trade to keep going. ES is doing the same thing than NQ. ES is even weaker than NQ. So if ES just bring the NQ down, that's nice. At the left, over there at the middle, it's the DOM of the mini Nasdaq, and at the right, it's the DOM of the micro Nasdaq. Whoa. Okay, and now I'm expecting right now that we have a rejection of this high, and we are just keep going. If we don't keep going right now, I'm going out. Come on, break it down! Break it! Break it! I think it's quite possible, guys. Alexandre, 25,183, next target, yeah, and we just hit it. Just right now we hit it. But I'm just looking at the flow for the moment to see if it's worth it or not to hold it. Because I don't have a special target on it. Maybe the initial balance low. It's far away, but it's not impossible. But it's rare. It's rare on the NQ statistically when we are looking at the historic of the Nasdaq to break at the both sides, the initial balance high and initial balance low. But it's not impossible. And today we are maybe in this kind of days that we are gonna break the initial balance at the both sides. So why not let his chance to do it and try to aim 127, 120. Let's go, baby! We are in! We are in! We are in! With 4 macros on my 100k fundamental and swing over there, plus 650 bucks, almost 700 bucks. But my parents' account on this trade copier, it's my 25k static account. That's why I'm looking always at the 25k static account. And let's hold it, guys. I have nice confirmation right now. Very nice confirmation. It's worth to wait 2 hours. Just in case, I'm gonna put a target profit at 103, something like that, just close to 100, just in case we have a huge selling pressure. But otherwise, I'm expecting to take my profits at 120, something like that. Okay, we are so close to the initial balance low. Come on, 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 come on. Well done, Alexandre. Thank you so much. If break below 183, can go 143. Let's see. We just hit 145. How was your day today? I made a good Dow today. What do you mean by Dow? Dog. And my day is pretty well today. Absolutely the opposite of yesterday. I'm so sad we won't fill the gap on New York session. I told you today I wouldn't think about that. I was not thinking that today we're gonna fill this gap session. But anyway. Never mind, the most important thing is to win and not have right on the market. Okay, we are just rejecting. Okay, let's wait. The initial balance low, guys, it's in the same time the lower of the 15 minutes OPR. And I'm just coming back and recover the loss of yesterday. Let's go, baby. Yes, we can go. In only one trade, I recover all the losses of yesterday. That's nice. Go, go, Flo. Very nice move. Well, what a move. What a move. Let's go. I would like that he goes to the low of the 15 minutes OPR, the initial balance low in the same time. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. 127. Japan will have to show love to the US during assassination. GG Olivers, thank you so much. Lovely short, Flo. Yeah, what a short. What a short on the VWAP. No, it's not really the VWAP. There's a space between the VWAP and this pullback, but yeah, what a nice short. I love this one. Okay, and 49 participants. 49 participants. For a thunder craze without something to win. Okay. I don't like this rejection. I don't like it at all. I have to think about to go out. Fuck. Come back. Fuck. Come back a little bit and then I can go out. That's not good. Not good. Okay. I think it's possible that it goes higher. So I would like to just fill me at 86. Boom, filled. Okay, doesn't mind. What a short! I just surfed on these moves. Then, okay, it's not anymore my business. Let's go, baby! $50 participants, stop, let's go. Let's take all of you for the duck race. Oh, look at my scratch, look at my exit, guys. I just saw it, this rejection, that it wasn't good, this rejection. Oh, just perfect. Okay. No. 3 minutes. The duck race. I think it's fine. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Boom. 50 participants. Let's put Phidias. Propfirm. And let's put myself. Okay, 52. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Trader, though. You missed your shot, Trader, so I think too. I'm here. Okay, never mind, there's nothing to win, guys. Unless... fame. That's it. Notoriety. Notoriety. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait. Okay. Just wait. Just wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go, baby! 3 minutes remaining! Shiv! Kai 5Q is leading the race right now! He's doing the start! He's leading the race! Oh, Baron Trader is coming back! He just won an Acton before! Ryan Skipper, Davos! Following Snow is attacking! The grandfather duck! The grandfather! Ming is first right now! Let's go, taking the lead of the race! Tiny Toons, Phidias, Propfirm, le Suédois, Kalin Trader, Propfirm, Brazil, Trader Dave, GBNQ. Let's launch the sprint! Tony Gold over there is attacking! Tiny Toons 2 is accelerating! Trader over there! At the left side! Let's go! I'm still winning! I'm still winning! Valkyrie, the Klumbeck! The Klumbeck! 20 seconds remaining! The conflict is waiting in my cover. Let's go now! And le Suédois Gohan launch the spring. Trader Dave 2. No. Who's coming back? My cave has won! Big Boss just won the race when there's nothing to win, guys. When there's nothing to win, he won the race. No way, no way, no freaking way. That's just unbelievable for him. Uh-oh. My cake, Mr. Big Balls. Did you see it? My cake, did you see it? I'm so sorry. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, my cake? And by the way, you are a bear duck today. Nothing to win for. Mr. Big Ball with a long. There's nothing to win. Oh, freaking way. No freaking way. My cake. I cannot believe it. He's present for every single giveaway of the YouTube channel, and the only time he's winning, there's nothing to win. No freaking way. Yes, I want it tomorrow. Okay, let's see tomorrow. But tomorrow we need to cross the 100 likes. We need to cross it. No. I have to set something. Calimero, Mike. I think my deck doesn't want to win if there's no giveaway. So by chance, Tiny Toons, by chance for you. Sassy dog. My account 263. What do you mean? You're short or what? It's a preparation of tomorrow, bro. A real duck race. Yeah. Tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, if we are doing a duck race tomorrow, okay? So if we are crossing the 100 likes, we are doing a real duck race. A real duck race, not for pussy. A real duck race of 25 minutes tomorrow. 25 minutes. All right. So I cannot wait. 25 minutes of duck race. Just 50 guys on the live stream, or even more, or maybe less. We'll see tomorrow. Looking and watching a live stream doing a duck race. Watching a trading show doing a duck race. It was so funny. Sassy duck. Real duck race with real ducks. one time. But I need to buy some ducks for that. Alright guys, that's it for today. I just did it good to get out of my trade over there, to not getting this drawdown, and then I'm good. And there's a potential short to take again, but I don't want to take it anymore. I'm fine for today. So let's go, baby. Duck, bye everyone. Thanks, Alexandre. Thank you to you. See you tomorrow, guys. Nice day. Thank you. See you tomorrow, guys. As usual, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Central Time. To trying to do our business and making money on the markets. Buy Phidias Propfirm. Let's go, baby. We just recovered almost. Oh yeah, we just recovered the loss. Just almost, but no, not so much remaining of yesterday. So we can still have a green day, a green week. Sorry, a green week. We'll see. There are 2 days remaining about this week. Thursday and Friday. I cannot wait. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. See you tomorrow, guys. Miami.
Playboy's paradise.
That's
Pretty
us,
girls, fast cars. That's just a facade. The bridge separates South Beach from my Miami. The real Miami.
The real Miami.
This is where we hustle.
This is where we hustle. Every day we hustle. Every day we hustle.
You're tripping with yes from the boss. Still qualified, white on white, that's Rick Ross. I keep them wide, I keep them long, I keep them fat. I keep them coming back. We keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution.
Let's go!
I'm like Atlantic.
See you tomorrow.
Flying across the Atlantic. I know Pablo Noriega, the real Noriega. He owe me 100 favors. I ain't petty player, we buy the whole thing. See, most of my homies hustle, they still do their thing. My roof back, my money ride. I'm on the pedal, show you what I'm running like. When they snatch black, I cry for 100 nights. He got 100 bodies, serving 100 lives. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm. We never steal cars, but we hard. Whip it real hard, whip it real hard. I call the charge, I call the charge. Whip it real hard, whip it real hard. Ain't about no funny stuff, still flipping them chickens. I'm on my money stuff, still whipping them Benzes. Major League, who catching because I'm pitching? Jose Canseco just snitching because he finished. I feed them steroids to strengthen up all my chickens. They flying over Pacifics to be specific. Triple C's, you know it's fact. We holding sacks, so good and gon' rap. Run and tell them that. More cars, more O's, more clothes, more. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm. It's time to spend my thrills, custom spinning wheels. I ain't drove in a week, them shit is standing still. Talk about me, cause these suckers scared to talk about me. Killers talking about me, it ain't no talk about me. It ain't no walking around me. See all these killers around me, lot of around me going down in Dade County. Don't talk no 22, cost me 22. Sat it on them 22. Lil' mama super thick, she say she 22. She seen them 22, we in room 222. I touch work like I'm convertible Burt. I got distribution, so I'm converting the work. In the MIA, yo, them switch off, yeah, yo. My shit banging, yeah, yo. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.